Very cool.
Whoa. What over?
Hi, so this is his sister right now. So this is a little voiceover so I can tell you how to make a paper airplane. So first, you fold the sides of your paper on the side you want your airplane to be. And it has to be on like taco form, I think. Yeah, it's taco form. So just like that, and then you're gonna like fold it like down, and then you're gonna like do the sides again like that. And then your next step is to cut a little bit of the piece off, I'm pretty sure.
No,
Okay, what is it then?
it's to fold it right there.
I know, that's what I just said. Oh, you gotta fold it like that. So watch very closely and I'll be back very soon. Tell your parents to watch this and tell them to subscribe. Let's do a question of the day. All right,
What
question
about
of the day.
joke?
No, I'm doing question of the day.
What's
so,
the question?
anyways, my question of the day is, if you had to be one food, what would you be? Any food. Now, I will go. I would be a strawberry because people love strawberries. And strawberries, personally, are some of the prettiest fruit. And I'd be healthy, so people, most people would think I'm better. Anyways, back to the video.
Pur via vedo come down. There.
All right, everybody. Let's do question of the day. My question of the day for you guys is, if you had to be one food for the rest of your life, what would you be? And you get to pick two. So, first up, okay, I would be tiramisu because it's always so pretty with that little stuff sprinkled on top. It's pretty. So I would be a pretty food. And then strawberries, because strawberries are healthy and people like healthy foods. And strawberries are personally, to me, the prettiest fruit you can find. And if I were tiramisu, I would be served in France and Paris most of the time. So that would make me even fancier. Now, let's go back to the video. Laugh at me.
Jet race.
I can't make, okay, pick your jet. We're gonna just race with the jets to see whose is better.
I'm gonna take that jet.
Okay, give me yours. Actually, I wanna make my own paper airplane, people, so let me show you the easy way to do it.
Dad already saw the easy way.
Let me show you the Zainab way to do it.
It's gonna be my way. That's so easy.
So I start off by folding the sides as usual.
That's my measurement.
I know. Then I usually just do whatever this is again.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
You do that next.
Too bad. I do it different. Then I just fold it. Wow.
Is that what Dad showed you?
No, this is just what I know to do. What I like to do.
I think yours is gonna come wrong.
And then I'm just gonna do this because no, not like that. I'm gonna do like a pretty fold.
You just like when it's
Well, at least mine is pretty. Yours looks like an Oompa Loompa.
This is Dad's, not mine.
I mean, yours
Don't
looks
mean me.
beautiful.
That's
Well, yours
Dad.
looks like an Oompa Loompa. Dad's is perfect. Yours isn't. And in the front, I'm gonna fold it like that, so it can be like every pretty airplane, I guess.
Of course, this airplane crashed so much that it's.
Now, I'm
the
gonna
front
customize
bigger.
it, so you can customize it if you want it to be bigger. I'm gonna make these cool jets that should help it fly faster. Okay, pay attention to me,
Broken.
not him.
Broken.
Everybody ignore him. He's
Broken
the
part.
fool.
Broken part. Broken part. Broken part. This whole thing is broken.
Okay, I'm doing this because it just makes it cooler. But I do have something else. Actually, no, I'm gonna do it the other way.
This is faster.
I'm the other way.
You have to start all over again.
No, I'm just showing the other way. If you know what it is, then you know what it is.
That's different. That's also wrong.
Huh?
It's also wrong.
Okay, this is what I'm doing. I never said this was about you. And then,
Because
wait, I forgot how to make a paper jet. Oh no.
this is a jet. Dad made me a jet.
Show me the layout.
Wow.
Oh, I think you just wait.
Yeah. You did it wrong because you need to do this part.
I'm sorry, I don't know everything, okay? And then I'm just gonna go back to what I always do and just fold it. I just wanted to get that super cool tip.
You just want this super cool tip. Mine's tip is broken.
No, I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna like have it stick up. Are you okay? You know that sticks, right? Not to walls, but like carpets. I mean, I think you can remove it. Anyways, I'm just gonna spread it out. So, okay, now we're gonna decorate our jets.
No.
And for once, I'm giving you permission. Don't use my stickers, okay? I'm a simple.
This is Dad's, and it looks good. When
Don't
it's
mind this. Still
white.
working on it.
I like it right now. It's nice.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna decorate it because I'm better than him. So I'm gonna
I
take
shall decorate it a little bit.
So to do this, red really pops out. So I'm gonna write. I'm gonna write that.
You know what I'm writing, right?
No.
Oh, and
Zainab,
what is
Is-
wrong with you? That's your own name.
the best. And just in case it goes under, I always have a replacement.
Brothers.
Best. So now, even if you open it, ha ha ha,
Dad's jet.
ha 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 ha, there's no going back. So now, to decorate it even more, oh my god, I'm gonna be so aesthetic. Oh my gosh.
I mean, the name is only a few letters.
Shut up, Anna. I'm trying to be aesthetic and make like beachy colors because all the aesthetic girls live on the beach. Well, and
Guys are mermaids. So you
well,
love
and
mermaids.
most of the aesthetic girls I know just like live on the beach.
No
but
one
they
cares
like
it. I don't care about.
I don't know. They always have like the beachy vibe in their name. I don't know why though. No offense if you are. That's
Green mixed blue makes a better color.
I'm not sure if aesthetic and preppy are the same thing. They seem like the same exact thing.
They're probably the same.
I don't know because they're both kind of aesthetic, but they're both also preppy. So I think they might be the same thing. I don't know. I have cool wavy lines on mine and you don't. Oh my god, let me make it even better.
You can't use marker. You said that last time.
Yeah, not you. I can't. Purple? Oh my god, wait.
Hey.
Let me outline my name.
Is this, look, I found the mac and cheese color.
Do not.
I'm going to use the mac and cheese color.
I don't like mac and cheese.
It's called the mac and cheese color, not just mac and cheese.
Either way, I don't like mac and cheese. It just doesn't taste good.
Then why did you get it at the school lunch?
I didn't.
You got it before you said, I like mac and cheese.
That was like the home kind, Dad.
Home kind? I didn't like the home kind. It was too cheesy.
That's literally the entire.
Just like your joke, your pizza joke. You said it's too cheesy, please.
Yeah, yes, it's so funny. I'm gonna do the other side really quickly. And this one, that's up and I had.
Whose airplane airplane is this? That's mine.
Whose airplane is this?
It's Lala's.
Oh, it's Madonna.
Madonna's.
That's
That's mine.
Look at it's colored now. Mom does so.
Let's get colors like green.
Are you guys ready? I'm gonna go put this in my backpack so I can turn. No, I need to put my name on it. Sorry, I'm doing my own thing. I'll go to that.
Hey. That's for Madonna. Stop. It's Lala's.
Okay, let's all start racing now.
Okay.
I think it's about time we start racing.
Hey.
All right, my turn.
It's gone.
Brown!
I win.
Can I have a rematch? I demand a rematch. We're gonna start. Move on. Let's take turns. I'm ready to race.
Yeah.
Okay, just come up.
I won.
And I go take your turn.
Yeah.
Let's see how far mine go from the bottom.
No top.
No, all the way to the bottom. Let's see how far you can go.
Yeah.
What?
Cheater. I just won again.
Oh my god, I won!
No, you didn't. I won. Mine is gonna hit the camera.
I eat little baby ice cream.
Yeah. Wait, I need a rematch.
Okay.
I win. That's mine. I win. Mine went all the way to the couch.
Guys, oh my god, look what happened. I won.
Now hard one.
Someone all over the camera. And whichever one you throw in the air is ours, so whichever one we catch. So